Hello and welcome to our car breakdown video. In this video, we'll be showing you what to do if your car breaks down on the road. It can be a stressful and potentially dangerous situation, but with the right knowledge and preparation, you can handle it safely and get back on the road as quickly as possible. We'll show you how to assess the situation, call for help, and take any necessary precautions to ensure your safety. So let's get started. Assess the situation and make sure it is safe to stay with the car. If you are on the side of a busy road, it may be safer to call for help and wait for assistance rather than trying to fix the issue yourself. Check to see if the car will start. If the car won't start, there could be a number of reasons, such as a dead battery, a faulty starter motor, or a clogged fuel line. If the car won't start, try jump-starting the battery. Make sure the cables are properly connected and have another vehicle give your car a jump start. If you think your battery might not be working properly, check the battery voltage. The ideal car battery voltage with the engine running is between 13.7 and 14. With the engine off, you should get a reading of 12.6 volts. %, and down to 11.9 V when it's completely discharged. So here is the question everyone has in mind. Do you have to replace your battery? So let's say your battery measures less than 12 V on a regular basis, then yes, you might have to replace it. If the car still won't start, try checking the fuel level and adding more if needed. It's also a good idea to check the fuel line for any clogs or damage. If the car starts but then dies, it could be an issue with the fuel pump or the alternator. If the car is making strange noises, it could be an issue with the engine, such as a worn belt or a malfunctioning part. If the car has a flat tire, you can try changing it yourself if you have a spare tire and the necessary tools. Make sure to properly tighten the lug nuts and inflate the tire to the correct pressure. Never skip oil change. Never ignore car oil changes. This was one of my major mistakes, primarily due to a lack of information. So, please learn from my mistake and change your oil as recommended by your car maker. What is the significance of this? Well, with time, the oil becomes dirty and goes through the engine, depositing all sorts of nasty pieces and gunk. If this continues, the normal operation of the engine will be jeopardized by the filth that has accumulated, and the oil will be unable to reach all of the vital locations. This will inevitably result in a breakdown. You must also understand which sort of oil is ideal for your car. If you are unable to fix the issue yourself or feel unsafe attempting to do so, it is best to call for professional help or have the car towed to a repair shop. Perform regular maintenance of the car. For example, checking the battery, getting the tires aligned and rotated, replacing the spark plugs, etc., because malfunctioning of a single part could prevent your vehicle from working. It is my first time creating an informational video, so please comment for any feedback. Please like and subscribe so I can motivate myself to do better. Thanks for watching. Cheers.